I have some corned beef hash out of a can, and I'm just gonna put some in my skillet. I have some oil in my skillet, and here's the corned beef hash, and I'm just gonna fry it on both sides. Take some out, pour it in my skillet, and make something like a patty so it can fry. You want it a little crispy on both sides, but still moist once you get ready to eat it. It's frying really good. I'm going to try to turn some of it. Just turn it, flip it over, turn it, flip it over. Let it cook on the other side. All the pieces get turned. And that's all I'm going to do to it. Let it fry some more. Okay, I'm finna plate this corned beef. Try not to take up all the oil that's in there, since this is a Nomex skillet. It still has the oil in it. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to put some eggs in here. And the only seasoning I'm going to put in here is some black pepper and some garlic powder. The corned beef has salt already in it, so you don't need much salt, or any salt actually. And you let your eggs fry up. I covered the eggs to get some of the steam to cook the top of the egg. The yellow of the eggs are turning white because of it being covered, so I don't have to flip them to make them over easy. Now I'm finna check them. This is perfect by using a no-wax skillet, that you can just take these eggs and do this normal. And there you have it. Corned beef and hash with eggs on top of them. Enjoy. I don't know what I was talking about. I meant no non-stick skillet. I don't know why I said non-wax. But don't y'all forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye-bye now.